Hi, it's Jill with The Ordered Home. It is into March. I'm not getting too excited because we will probably have more snow before the season is out. And that's okay because I'm here with another soup recipe. I have this great roasted potato and leek soup that was first inspired to me by Barefoot Contessa. It came out of one of her cookbooks. I have made some alterations to it and I wanted to share it with you here because it is fantastic. I will have this recipe on my blog. The link is below. Take about 2 pounds of potatoes, peel them and cube them. You also want to take about 3 leeks. Now you want to take the light portions and the white portions, chop them. I cut them up, clean them out real well, chop them up. Put the potatoes and leeks on a roasting pan. Put about 1/4 cup of olive oil on them, salt and pepper to taste. Also want to mince 2 cloves of garlic and mix them in with the potatoes and leeks. Now roast these on the potato sheet for about 30 to 40 minutes at 375 degrees. And I stirred them once or twice while they were roasting just to keep them browning evenly. When this pan comes out of the oven, you want to put it on top of the stove on 2 burners. Place the burners on low heat, add 1/2 cup of white wine, about 1 cup of chicken stock depending on the size of your pan and the lip of the pan. You don't want the liquid to cook over. Cook this over low heat, stirring occasionally, about 10 minutes. The white wine's going to evaporate. At this point, you want to put 1/2 of the ingredients from the cookie sheet into a food processor or a high-speed blender with about 1/2 cup of chicken stock and blend this. When you're done, put it in the pot. Finish this with the rest of the vegetables on the cookie sheet. Add 4 more cups of chicken stock and 1 cup of whole milk to this mixture on the pot. Have this over medium-low heat. Stir until it's well blended and heated through. And you have a wonderful potato soup. I serve this garnished with some cheddar cheese, bacon, sour cream, and green onions. Hope you loved that. We'll call it a spring soup recipe. You're still gonna have a few more cooler days. I do have my window open today for some fresh air. It is beautiful. And make it a happy day. Spring will be coming soon. I hope you find order, peace, and love.